If you want to start as an affiliate marketer and you don't even know where to start from, this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you step by step guides on how you can actually start as an affiliate marketer, especially if you're based in Nigeria. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually promote those products that you choose to promote. So let's get into it. Go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser, type in stakeout.com. You're going to click on the very first link to register. So I already created my own account, so I'm just going to be logging in into my dashboard. So this is how exactly the website looks like. You're not going to pay in any dime. Click on the three dash at the left corner of the app. You're going to see marketplace. Click on marketplace. It's going to bring you to where you're going to be seeing different data products that you can actually promote different thing. You can actually just search for what you have interest in to promote. But as a beginner, I would advise you to choose something that is more affordable, like maybe like 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. Just stick around that side as a beginner. Sure you get. For this particular course, it's cost $5.85. That makes it 7,000 naira, and your commission is 73.5%, which means you're going to be getting 5,000 naira as a commission when you sell these products, which is 7,000 naira. Then you are going to be seeing your affiliate link. You copy and keep it. You can always come back to it and copy your link. Now click on the sales page. You're going to get more details about this particular product that you choose to promote. You can see different what's it called, receipts that you can actually use to promote it. Even on WhatsApp, you can use it to promote it because easily. This is how people do it. Just scroll down to get more testimonials to promote this particular course, and you start posting your status, your TikTok, anywhere that you choose to promote it anyways. So let's move to the next one. So click on payments page. It's going to show you the details of, details you are going to be needing, payments details that you need in case anyone pay directly to you. So their phone number, full name, and then email address, and they are going to send you the amount of money that the course costs. Sure you get. But if you copy your affiliate link and paste it in your bio, maybe on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you post it, they are just going to click on the link and it's going to take them straight to this particular page, and you're going to automatically see your commission in your dashboard. So if you scroll down, you're going to see download flyer and video here. But if you click on JV page, it's going to take you to the same place. Okay, it depends on how the person arrange it. Sure you get. So if you click on this one, it's going to take you to the Telegram page. So that's it depends on the author how they arrange where they keep their flyers and everything. Sure you get. Some can actually direct you to Google Doc, while some Telegram. So that is it. You just copy the one that you think is going to be useful to you, then use it to promote that particular product. Like video, you can post it on TikTok. So the next question is, how am I going to start making money from this? How am I going to get people to sell this to? First and foremost, what I did, I started last month digital marketing, and I got courses. I don't promote this type of course. The courses I promote is 100% commission. You get, I buy the course and I own the course forever, so I can sell as many as I want, as I can sell to any people I want, and I'm going to determine the price of the product, determine if I'm going to be selling it higher, if I want to put it on seller to for other affiliates marketers to help me to promote that product. Did you get like that? So that is it. That is that for that. So what I did is that I actually create account on TikTok, brand new account on TikTok, and I started posting video. You can actually do the same thing, and you can also create a faceless TikTok account if you don't want to be showing your face. You get just that type of video that is on that Telegram. You can actually compromise and create any those type of videos, attaching viral song and putting the captivating captions and everything. So you get like that. That is how you can actually start making sales, and you can also start making sales from your WhatsApp as well. You can go through the course, and if you want in depth on how you can actually promote ad through your website, your landing page, you want to know more about all of these things, you're going to be getting a course. Now, you're going to be getting the same course I got, and you're going to have 100% resale rights to sell. You're going to be determining your price, everything that you want to do about the course. Sure, you get like that. Once you get the course for 10,000 naira, you are going to be promoting it for life. Like you own the course for life. You own the profits. That's about that. I hope this video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment if you have any question at all, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. See you in the next one, and do take care of yourself. Bye.